These are SilverSilk's custom hollow mesh cord ends, expertly designed to elevate your jewelry with a sleek, polished finish. Not only do they neatly conceal the raw ends of the chain, but they also ensure the chain stays secure and aligned, adding both style and durability to your designs. SilverSilk hollow mesh cord ends boast unmatched quality, achieved through 5 layers of metal plating, and come in 6 stunning finishes to complement any design. High polished silver, dark rhodium, brilliant gold, antique gold, bright copper, antique copper. Each cord end has a 6mm inner diameter, allowing your hollow mesh to fit snugly, while the 1.5mm top hole accommodates craft wire, beading wire, or even leather cord for endless creative possibilities. Using these cord ends is easy. Simply press the hollow mesh over the final bead in your design. Then slide the cord end over both the mesh and the bead. Once fitted, you can continue your design by stringing beads or attach a clasp to complete it. We invite you to try our selection of custom fittings, crafted with precision and artistry to bring your jewelry to the next level of sophistication and security.